This review is for the Sistema Clip-It Cup. I call it the little sister to the bigger 940 milliliter bowl. If you have this one, it's a little bit different. It does have the same type of clips, but these clip up under the rim as to where these have little clips built in on the side of the cup right here. It also has a built-in vent. It is fairly easy to clean, but sometimes you have to dig in this little area. This will pop off, but as you know, sometimes after you pop them off, they don't always want to go back or fit well. The cups are supposedly microwavable and freezer safe. I've not really froze anything in them, and if I do microwave in one of these, I don't microwave it for very long, even though the manufacturer does say it's BPA free.